Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Let us begin with this. Now, as we have already heard the story of kite fight between Vinay and Geeta, okay, and then we have read the chapter also. Now, today, let us solve the worksheet. Okay, let us begin, children. Question number 1. Find the opposites of these. Opposite का मतलब मालूम है आपको in Hindi you say विलोम शब्द. These words from the story. Defeat. Defeat means harana. So the victory word was there in the chapter. So we will write victory. Defeat means harna and victory means jeetna. Then quickly, yes, of course, I know you know the answer. It is slowly. Next, lost, गुम गया और मिल जाना. That is found, found. Next, wound, unwound. Wound, unwound. You just have to add u and un in front of it. ठीक है, wound, unwound. Okay. Yes. Now, disappeared. Disappeared यानी चले जाना. Appeared. Disappeared, appeared. You just have to remove this from there. Disappeared, appeared. Okay. Now, question number 2. Put the following in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means you know A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. So ये जो words ये है ना, block, black, brand, bread and bright. We have to arrange this into alphabetical order. पहला कौन सा आएगा? पहले A वाला आएगा, then B वाला. Now here there is no word with A. Okay, so we have to, all the words are beginning with B. All the words are beginning with B. So now we have to see that this is now the C, children. When A B C D is there, so we can compare. Okay, A will come, then B will come, then C, then D. But here all the words are with A, we cannot compare. So what we have to do is that we will not consider B. हमको B नहीं लेना है. Okay, now after B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. अब B नहीं लेंगे तो next letter लेना पड़ेगा बेटा हमको. We have to take the next letter. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L. Yes, L है ना? L is there here. B, L here. L is there. Okay, now two words are there. Now again L, two words are having L, so again we will not consider L. बेटा हमको L cancel करना पड़ेगा. Now we will take the next letter, that is O and A. ठीक है, अब A सबसे पहले आता है, so we will take the first word, that is black पहले आएगा. After black it will come block, BLOCK, block. Okay, then comes the brand. Now all R. Again R we will cancel because we cannot, अगर letter same आगे बेटा then we cannot compare. Again now which will come after R, A is there, then यहाँ पे after R E is there, after R I is there, तो पहले A आता है, so we will write brand. Okay, this is called alphabetical arrangement. You have to be little careful, na? Brand. Now E will come first after R or I, E, then it will come bread, and after bread it will come bright, BRIGHT. Okay, like this alphabetical order. Okay, so black, block, brand, bread and bright. Next is made, meet, monster, mohan, magic and many. Okay, so MA, then ME, MO, MO, MA, again MA, 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 three words are there. Okay, so MA, MA and MA three words है, तो M से compare नहीं होगा बेटा, तो M we will cancel. After M A is also there, तो A भी cancel करना पड़ेगा बेटा, A also, because A we cannot compare. Now A के बाद में जो आएगा that we will compare. Now I, G और N है, so which will come first? Now let us see. A B C D E F G, G पहले आता है, so we will write magic, MAGIC, magic. Okay, A B C D E F G H I, then comes the maid. Okay, then comes the maid. After made, many. M-A-N-Y, many. Okay. Then comes the meat, monster and Mohan. Then E will come. So M-E-A-T, meat. M-E-A-T, meat. After meat, two words with M-O, monster, M-O, Mohan. So M-O, M-O cancel. We cannot compare. Next letter is H and N. So H पहले आता है. So we will write Mohan. Okay. After Mohan, the last comes the monster. ऐसे अरेंज करना पड़ता है. Like this we have to arrange. Okay. You need little practice. Just minute observation has to be there. Now we come to question 3. Pick out the nouns, verbs and adjectives. Now you have to be little careful better because one of the word is adverb here and the infinitive verb is there. So we will select only the verb. So don't get confused. Okay. The green kite. First we will select only the noun. Kite cheez hai beta. It is a thing. A noun is a name, place, animal, thing. So kite first noun निकालेंगे. Okay, kite. Then Vinay. Vinay is a noun, name of a person. Okay. Then comes Geeta. Okay. How to hold the string. After Geeta, get it slide through her fingers and got it cut. Fingers. 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 Your fingers are noun. Okay, he showed her how to give it. Now that's all. Now it comes to verb. Okay, the green kite climbed. So climbed. All the tick marks will be verb. Action word. CLIMBED, climbed. Okay. Then Vinay showed. Okay, tick mark I'm doing. Showed. Showed is a verb. Okay. Then comes Geeta, how to hold. Now you must be wondering why teacher is not taking hold, because whenever the verb before the verb if there is to, तो infinitive verb होता है बेटा, ये verb नहीं होता है, simple verb नहीं है. So we cannot write hold. Then how to let, again infinitive beta. Okay. And then slide through her fingers and got not get cut. Cut is also not action word here because cut is ending with object. He showed her. Okay, now showed word is already there. Her to her how to give. Again to give, infinitive. It a sharp pull. Pull we can write pull. Yes, pull is action here. To make it climb. Okay, climb to we have already written. To make it climb, because after infinitive to make it climb, climb is the object. So we cannot write that. Now we come take it adjectives. Okay, so how, what is the color of the kite? Kite noun है ना, कौन सा color है बेटा? Green. So green is adjective. Okay. Now which other word is adjective here? Green kite. Slide. Sharp pull. How is the pull? Sharp pull. The sharp is adjective. Okay. Showed Geeta how to hold the string, how to let it slide through her fingers, not get cut. He showed how to get a sharp pull. So sharp is a adjective. Okay. Then comes question 4. Yes, comparative. Comparative means यहाँ पे जब comparative आता है बेटा, दो के बीच में जब compare करते हैं only two things, so then we add er, and but एक का बहुत सारे से करते हैं, so then we add est. Okay. Now here two people, Ali and Ahmad, only two people are there, so we will tall. Here action word tall is given, we have to add action word दिया हुआ है बेटा, उसमें er या est लगाना है. Now pay attention. Here only two people are there, Ali and Ahmad. So comparison between only two persons. So tall will become taller. Okay. Ali is taller than Ahmad. Pineapples are dash than oranges. यहाँ पे भी pineapples, pineapple and oranges. Only two के बीच में comparison. So we will write sweeter. ER. Okay. January is the dash month of the year. Now here January is one, but पूरा year से comparison हो रहा है between all the months, so many months. So we will write coldest, est लग जाएगा. Okay, my bag is dash than yours, so one my bag and yours only, so heavier. Remember ending with y, so ier. The elephant is dash than the mice. Here comparison between only elephant and mice, so big will become bigger. Okay. Now question number 5. Look at the picture and make sentence by comparing. Here look at the first picture carefully. Here it is elephant and a bird. So how can we make the sentence? It's very simple. Now E is the vowel. So an elephant, here the word is given, is bigger than a bird. Okay, here the bird is sitting on the elephant. Here again two people, the man is taller, so we'll write the man is taller than the boy. Okay, if you're writing a man, then you write a boy. If you're writing the man, so you write the boy. Next is a torch. So the torch, torch, the torch is, here it is given brighter. So same word use करना है बेटा आपको, brighter than the lamp. Okay, दिया को इंग्लिश में लैम्प बोलते हैं, so lamp. Okay, that's all. I think this is the last question. That's all for today. Now please listen and see 2-3 times carefully again and again. You will be able to understand. It's very easy. Grammar is not at all hard, children. So thank you, and please complete your worksheet, children.